How to fix Facebook unexpected error on Android on your Facebook account. Today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone Android. Then you will go directly to apps or applications. Then you will scroll down and search for Facebook. Then when you will find Facebook apps, just open it like this and scroll down and go to storage, and then go to clear data like this and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.